Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm working on building a gaming character that is and trying to make it extremely immersive. And what I'm trying to do is use augmented reality to attach game components to real life character components, like a real life puppet or a real life robot. And I have tried just about every tracking technology that I have found, and I wanted to take a minute and show you what I found to work the best and how I'm doing it. Okay, so I have an app that I built in Unity that uses ARCore face tracking, and I'll show how I do that in a different video. By just the ARCore face tracking only works on the front-facing camera, so that's why I want to make this video to show you how I do it, because I actually have to point my cell phone away from me to do this. But I use a USB-C to HDMI dongle to go out to an external monitor through an HDMI, and then you can see that as I track the mannequin face, it tracks it really well. I can move it around, and it loses a little bit if you go too fast, but it's probably the best tracking that I found in terms of video tracking or object tracking. And if I want to record it to my laptop, I just use a cam link. I got a little capture dongle right here, and that's how I do that. So the external display is fine, it works really well, but I'd love to be able to move around and go to different rooms or and so you really can't do that with the display. So this is something I'm working on. This is like a first-person augmented reality rig. It's kind of like a camera rig. What I would do is on the side here, have my cell phone shown in red. I put my cell phone right here in this to do the motion tracking or to do the object tracking or face tracking, and then I would just get a little 10-inch display and to face it towards me. And then I'm working. I like the idea of using a steering wheel style camera rig so that I could grab it from any angle. You can see that I even have these additional handles they come out. I could hold on to, maybe give whatever it is I'm doing. I can hold it any way I need to, depending on what. Maybe I can set it up on a table, or I can hold it with two hands or one hand, whatever's going on. And then, even if I really need it, please excuse my terrible Vive tracker here, but I can put a Vive tracker on there for any additional information I might want. And there's some gaming inputs, maybe a game controller down here. And that's something I am looking forward to trying at some point, a first-person augmented reality gaming rig that uses the front camera on a cell phone with a back-facing. This happens to be a 10-inch display with a steering wheel styled camera rig